guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about foundations. So my first foundation is Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the shade is 128 Warm Nude. So this is what I'm using. I have finished 2 bottles already. This is my third one. So I'm in love with this foundation, guys. This is for everyday makeup look. And wait, let me show you. See the texture and the coverage. Oh my god, seriously, it's exactly my skin tone, which I love. Again and again, it's extremely inexpensive, and if you are in a budget and you want an amazing foundation, so go for it. Seriously, this is amazing, and I think it's just 549 bucks, and I think that's nothing for foundation. If you are in a budget or want an amazing foundation, so go for it. This is your foundation, and this is almost over, and I would love to buy another bottle for sure. So my second foundation is PAC HD Liquid Foundation, and the shade number is 1.2, and this is current favorite foundation, and I think it looks light on my skin, as close to Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So what I think about this foundation is it oxidizes when it goes on my skin, and I think it matches my skin tone perfectly, and the packaging is also nice. It's just 800 to 900 bucks and absolutely worth it. I don't mind. I must definitely go for this foundation. Look at this texture, guys. Everyone is like, why don't you try different foundation, pick this, that, but I'm like, no, I love PAC foundation and it's my current favorite. I will definitely buy, and there is a lot of brands, and I will definitely buy different foundation from different brands and give you a honest feedback. So my third foundation is Colorbox foundation, and the shade is not mentioned on this because it's quite old. I got this foundation 2 years back, so it's definitely not my skin tone. It's quite dark, so yeah, that would never gone on my skin. I did not use this foundation a lot. I think I have used only 3-4 times, and simple because it's quite dark according to my skin tone. You can see. And I like medium to full coverage foundation, so yeah, I'm not a big fan of this foundation. So my fourth foundation is Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and the shade is 112 Natural Ivory. So this is extremely white on my skin. Wait, let me show you guys. See. This is not light in texture. This is very thick. So I bought these foundation when I had no idea how to pick my foundation shade. That's when I bought this foundation, and now I have learned. So again, this foundation is not for my skin tone, and this is extremely light. The only drawback is it's extremely light. And the last one is Faces Canada foundation, and the shade is 02 Natural, and I think this is best for you guys if you are a person who wears makeup daily. So this is best for you. See guys, look at this texture. It's light to medium coverage. I think you should definitely give it a shot for once at least. This is best for everyday makeup look because it's light to medium coverage, and it looks so glowy, so natural. It's look like you are not wearing makeup. Seriously, you should definitely try it out, and this is best for me. So these were my top favorite foundation. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any query, any questions, so leave it below. I will definitely get back to each one of you, and thanks for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate this support, guys. Love you all.